Hello, you're welcome to my channel once again. This morning I'm in a site and I want to talk about the other video I did before. If you have not watched that, I will also give you the link. Will be on this video. Check it up anywhere around this video to watch that video. So this is part 2 of that video. What does your time worth? I want to use this as a practical example of application of time. Application of time in the marketplace. Both entrepreneurs and laborers, employees, investors, and self-employed, all of us come to labor market with our time, completely 24 hours to each person, but the application is never the same. Application is never the same. This factor contributes to serious financial inequality. Your earning, your ability to earn more, is a function of application of your time, according to what you apply this time to do. If you apply it to high income earning activities in the same labor market, in the same place, you will earn more. If you apply it in less paying jobs, you will earn less. So when you want to look at distribution of income and wealth, the rich apply their time to highest paying activities. So if you are the type that doesn't understand what it means to appropriate your time to high income earning activities, you will earn lesser in the labor market. So irrespective of your background, your academic qualification, learning the skill of time application, how to apply your time to high income earning activities, will really differentiate you with others when it comes to wealth and money making. So this video is just for those that want to be part of our vision for 2019, helping small businesses, entrepreneurs, and online marketers make more money. So if that is your vision, if you are part of our team, our community, so the basic things we'll be teaching on this channel, Patriotic Entrepreneurship Academy, is how to apply your time to earn more, to make more money in 2019. So I want to encourage you and advise you to join our community, subscribe to this channel, and we'll be teaching you how the best way to apply your time to high income earning activities that will give you more money. The same time, everybody comes in the labor market, but not the same result. Why? It depends on the activities you are applying your time in the labor market. So if you a business person, an entrepreneur, what are you promoting? Is it high income paying or low income paying? Of course, I will do another video on the activities that are high income paying and low income paying activities, so that you see the difference between two categories. The people that invest their time in low income activities and people that invest their time in high income